Greetings everyone, Racheli, your mortgage advisor, and here with the guru, the one and only, the guy who wrote this book. It's called Home Equity and Reverse Mortgages, Harlan Acola. And Harlan, I want to ask you a few questions, and it's about financial services and about real estate agents. Why should a financial advisor care about reverse mortgages?
Well, it's really pretty simple. A lot of people think that reverse mortgages are designed for people that are broke, that run out of money. And it is true that we can help people that run out of money in their 80s and 90s and all their other money is gone, and then we can help them with the money out of their house. But what most advisors don't realize is that the research has been done in their industry by top advisors and think tank folks from Texas Tech University, American College, Boston College for Retirement Research, have went through and said, hey, if you do a reverse mortgage at 62 and you start spending some of your house money before you spend your other money, even if you have plenty of money, three things will happen. Number one, you'll pay less in income taxes. Number two, you'll have a higher net worth, and of course have more cash flow while you're alive. That's why I did my reverse mortgage the day I turned 62 just last month, because I know that I'm going to have a better legacy for my kids, I'm going to pay less in income taxes, and I'm going to have more cash flow while I'm alive. And so if financial advisors had realized that there is $10.6 trillion sitting in people's houses, it would revolutionize the way they do Social Security planning, the way they do investments, the way they do insurance and annuities and all of the other things, because all of what we do affects what they do on the other side of the equation. Now, when it comes to real estate agents, I am a perfect example. I moved to an area where houses are more expensive. Because that's where my kids lived. I went from central Wisconsin in the farm country to the Minneapolis area where houses are a lot more expensive. I could buy double the value of the house because I only had to put about half down and the other half Fairway came in with. So
Gotcha.
If there were more real estate agents that understood that you can make sure that people get what they want rather than what they have to settle for in the fourth quarter of their life, it'll increase their commissions, it will help them sell more houses, it'll help them list more houses, because you got to get some of the old people like me out of the house that's good for the kids, and it will then help them put people like me into the right house. So they're going to have more satisfied clients.
So basically, they can sell more homes because now they're showing people an opportunity that they can move, be close to their grandkids if they choose to be there, and they
more
can,
expensive homes.
Yeah, more expensive home, and go for the one that they really like.
Yeah, I would have not spent as much money on my retirement home if I wouldn't have had it for half price. I mean, that's an awesome discount. When you get to be 62 and you can buy a house for half price, why would not everybody do that? And unfortunately, there's a lot of people that just look at it and say, well, if they can't qualify for a forward mortgage, maybe they can do a reverse mortgage. Well, that's true too. But that's not really what the goal is. Yeah. The goal is to have what you really enjoy.
I think that mostly people are ill-informed, and if they're informed with the wrong information, and then they don't even know where to go, who to ask, who should they trust for that advice, because yeah, it is their last part of their life. They don't want to mess it up.
Yeah, people think that that they're making a mistake or they kind of screwed up, and that's why they got to end up with a reverse mortgage. I was planning on a reverse mortgage when I was in my 40s when I first learned about it. It was
so you planned for it?
Absolutely. I knew that I was going to be doing a reverse mortgage, and so that's what controlled and helped me buy the right houses and the right investments, because I knew when I got to April of 2022, my payment was going to go to zero. That changes everything.
If you were to buy the house that you bought and didn't use a reverse mortgage, it would have been quite a few thousands of dollars shelled out each and every month.
Absolutely.
And you don't have to. So now that money can go and be invested, could be taken vacations, could be
given to the kids. There's a lot more you can do. We always say make memories, not mortgage payments.
Okay, I love that.
Yes.
So with that, guys, if you want to know more information, I want to reach out to you. Let's talk.
And the most important thing that you want to, you're going to try to pigeonhole the reverse mortgage, and you're going to say, well, maybe that's good for people that are broke. Maybe that's good for people that are running out of money. Maybe that's good for people that lost their jobs. It should be your first choice, not your last choice.
Okay. Yeah. If you do the right things earlier in life.
Exactly.
Okay. So thank you very much. Talk to you soon. Bye.